Hey kiddos, so today we are going to review multiplication. So when you have a 2-digit times a 1-digit, this is what's called the standard algorithm. So I'm going to multiply my one number here by the number right on top of it. So 5 times 7 I know is 35. It's kind of like adding then. I put my 5 here, and I'm going to carry my 3 up here. Now I'm going to multiply this number times this one. 5 times 4 I know is 20, and then this one I add in. So 20 plus 3 is 23. So there's my answer. Let's do another one. Okay, if my problem was 89 times 2, same sort of thing. I'm going to start here first. 2 times 9, that's 18. I'm going to carry my 1, and then I have 2 times 8, 16, plus 1 more is 17. So my answer is 178. Now go ahead and do the problems on the next pages, please.